Hi guys, welcome back. In the voice we have a Yale rim cylinder 5-pin. I'm gonna have a go at opening this one, and then I'm gonna gut it and see what's in it. I think it's all standard pins, but you might be surprised. It's a bit of a bastard, this one, to open. I keep dropping pins, get to a full set and then drop all the pins. So this is not the first take. I know how to open it, but opening it is not easy. So that's pin 1, back to the back, pin 5, 4 and 3. And then back to 5 should give a full set. That's 3. Loosen off on the tension. It's not playing. Maybe I haven't set pin 2. Pin 2. I'm gonna drop pins if I touch that too much. No, it's not pin 2. You see on the key, just here, 3 and 4 are the hard ones to set. They just, they're not easy. They're fucking nightmare, to be honest. What are we up to? We're up to nearly 3 minutes. If we can do this in under 4 minutes, I'll be happy. Otherwise the video is going to be mega long. I
enjoyed that tonight. From the album,
I don't know if I dropped all the pins then. I'm not sure. We've not got a full set anymore.
This weekend with John Brown, Classic FM chart with you Sunday afternoon.
I think I dropped everything.
We'll head to Hollywood in a moment and just see Max.
No, that was so lucky. I thought I dropped all the pins, and in doing so, dropping the tension wrench, I released the pin, I think, and we're open. Right now, I'm just gonna cut now for a second, and then I'll be back, and I'm gonna try and gut it. Or maybe I could try now. Let's have a look. Maybe if I zoom out a bit. Right. I'll try and keep in shot. That's the thing, keeping in shot. Right. Now this is my first go at this, so first, I don't even know how you use these things. Nearly locked it back up now. I'm not sure how you use these even. No, not like that. You can tell if this is my first go at this. Don't even know how to use the bloody tools. I'm going to lock this back up to get the spring off because I've got the keys. And try and work out how you use this. I don't think this is the way you're supposed to do it, but I don't know how that is supposed to work. No idea. Nope, no idea how that's supposed to work. Right, anyway. I think I've done that enough to get it off. Right. Whew. Okay. What size fits this? That's about the right size. Oh, we lost it. Oh, my key pins fell out. Never mind. Still got the key in, so I know which one's which. No, that isn't. No, that's right, so that's 4. That's pin 4. I'm making the right balls up of this, aren't I? That's 5. 4 and 5. I think pin 3 should be the little one. No, it's not. Maybe it's pin 1. No, it's not pin 1. It's pin 2. Right, that's pin 2. Should use my tweezers really, shouldn't I? Right, that was pin 2, yeah. So this has got to be 3 or 4, 3. Is that 3? I know this is going to be a long video, guys, but you know, bear with me. This is my first time out. Yeah, that's pin 1. Not looking very professional, are we? So that's pin 3. But now I can see why this is. I didn't find it extremely easy to open. Some of these pins are bloody long bloody things. Right. Okay. Okay, 1 and 5. Right, let's try and get these out now. Start at the front. See if I can get these out without them shooting everywhere. There's pin 1. Pin 1 standard. Pin 2. spool. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is a standard. Pin 4 is a spool. And pin 5 is a standard. Alright, let's zoom in so I can show you those. Where are they? Right, let's try and focus. There we go, guys. Hope that's focused. Pin 2 spool, pin 4 spool. All the key pins are normal pins. So, I'm quite pleased with that. Hope you enjoyed it. It's fucking 11 minutes long, but you know, it's my first go. So, this is Simon of 1 over and out. Now I've got to try and put it all back together. See you later. Bye.